Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about module number 2, that is line parameters. Here we are going to discuss about that inductance of three-phase line with symmetrical spacing but transpose. So inductance of three-phase line with symmetrical spacing but transpose. So as we know that very clear, while we are going to take in that inductance of symmetrical line with a transpose, that means if you take that here the conductors like conductor 1, conductor 2, conductor 3 or conductor X, conductor Y, conductor Z. If you see that the distance between conductor X to conductor Y D12, the distance between conductor Y to conductor Z it is D23, the distance between conductor Z to conductor X again D31. So if the distance here I am represented with D12, D23, D31, but is an equilateral triangle having that all sides are to be equal. So if it is all sides are to be equal, I can take it as D, D, D. If it is an unequal, I can take it as D12, D23 and D31. For suppose if I want to change the direction of any one transmission line from the existing tower, that means for example if you see this figure here, let us see that conductor X. The conductor X is there at position 1 here, and conductor Y is there at position 2 here, then conductor Z which is there at position 3, and if you assume that it is a tower A, this is tower B, this is tower C. So at tower C and tower B and tower A, if you see that the distance between tower A to tower B is L by 3, tower B to tower C it is L by 3, again from tower C to tower A again L by 3. So the distance it is an equilateral spacing or unequilateral spacing, or if you see that the overall length from tower A starting to tower C ending, that is L. So if I want to change the direction of one conductor from existing supporting tower to another tower, that means I want to bring top conductor to middle position and middle position of the conductor to down position. So according to our convenient, whatever the conductor which is going to change its direction according to that one location. For example, if you take that in cities we have to change the direction of the conductor whenever the dead end of the street it will come. So if there is any changes of the direction of the roadway, according to that we have to change the direction of the supporting tower. So in that way, and if there are 3 conductors on one tower, for suppose if I want to distribute that each and every one conductor to one location at the junctions, by that time I want to make that conductors which are already existing on the given towers to very convenient. For suppose if you see that here at tower A, conductor X is at position 1, but at tower C the conductor X is at position 3. So why we are changing the position? Tower A conductor X is at position 1, at tower B conductor X position is at position 2, tower C the conductor X position is at position 3. Why are bringing that conductor X from position 1 to position 2 and again position 2 to position 3, hence it is called as transpose. So in the name itself here the topic is called as inductance of three-phase line with symmetrical spacing but transpose. But transpose means here we are going to transpose the position of one conductor at one tower to the position of the conductor at a different position at the different tower. So this and all we are going to make to change that position of the conductor as to make so convenient to us in order to change the direction of conductors while we are distributing from one tower to various towers. So I want to bring conductor X from top position to position 3. So at tower A it is at position 1, at tower B it is position 2, at tower C it is position 3. Similarly I want to bring conductor Y which is at position 2 at tower A, I want to bring this one to top position, so like position 1. So that's what at tower A position 2 conductor Y is there. So at tower B the conductor Y position 2 it will come to position 3, again conductor Y from position 3 it is going to position 1 when it meets at tower C. So like that if you see that conductor Z also is there at position 3 here at tower A. Then at tower B conductor Z position is at position 1, then at tower C conductor Z position is at position 2. So I can bring at any one of the location where it is so convenient to us to change the direction of the transmission line while it is distributed from one transmission tower to various transmission towers. So in this case here we got the word called transpose. So this is the way generally how we are going to transpose the given transmission line to various positions as our convenient in order to distribute the conductors to various locations according to the demand of the load, and according to our convenient. It is easy way and it is easy method while we are going to interchange the positions of one conductor from one position to another position. Let us see here the original positions of the conductors at the regular intervals along the line is exchanged because to change the direction of the tower, from one tower to another towers. If I want to distribute that a group of transmission lines into various sites with various other towers, so I want to make it so convenient. So according to our purpose, our convenient purpose, here I am going to change the positions of the conductor, since it is called as inductance of three-phase line with symmetrical spacing but transposing. So that each conductor occupies the original position at every other conductor over an equal distance. For suppose if one conductor is changing its position, means at tower A, at tower B if you see that the positions of the remaining conductors, for example if you see that conductor Y is at position 2 at tower A, but conductor Y position is position 3 at conductor B. The same conductor Z is position 3 at tower A, but due to the change of the position of conductor X, the conductor Z occupies another position, that is position 1 at conductor B, tower B. So like this here we are going to change or transpose that position of the conductors according to our convenience in order to make or in order to distribute that the available number of conductors from one tower to various towers. This exchange of positions is called as transpositions. So this kind of transpositions we can identify nearby generating stations. Nearby generating stations, it will come by bulk number of conductors through one or two transmission towers. Later it is distributed to various number of towers. So wherever it is distributing from one conductor from one tower, wherever the group of conductors are going to distribute from one tower to various towers, there exists that transpositions. The below figure shows that complete transposition cycle here. So here the complete transposition cycle here we are discussed with three towers. Let us say this is tower A, tower B and tower C. So all the positions at tower A is going to change to at tower B, and again it is changed to at tower C as for our convenient. So again if you see that the position of conductor X at tower A becomes to position 2 at tower B. Again this conductor X at position 2 becomes to position 3 at tower C. Similarly conductor Y which is at position 2 at tower A, then at tower B it comes to position 3. Then the same conductor Y which is at position 3 at tower B, which comes to position 1 at tower C, that is conductor Y. Similarly if you see that conductor Z which is at position 3 at tower A, it brings to position 1 at tower B, and again this conductor Z which is at position 1 at tower B comes to position 2 at tower C, that is conductor Z. So like this here we are going to make that a group of transpositions as our convenient. In order to overcome the difficulty, that is towers, number of towers. For example if you see here in this figure tower A, I can take into A, B, C. So towers are represented with their names as tower A, tower B, tower C. Positions are represented with their names as position 1, 2, 3, and the name of the conductors are represented with X, Y, Z. So there is a care should be taken in order to overcome the difficulty, in order to overcome the confusion. Instead of name of the towers, positions and the name of the conductors. So like this here we can change the transpositions. The same average inductance over the complete cycle is obtained due to the transposition. So even though we are going to calculate the overall inductance either for symmetrical spacing or unsymmetrical spacing, the value of inductance, let us say for conductor A, conductor B and conductor C, whatever we are using the formulas, the same formulas we can also use for the topic like transposition, either for symmetrical spacing or for unsymmetrical spacing. Thank you.